This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice without soy sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cooked, cold rice, your favorite vegetables like peas and carrots, and a protein such as chicken or shrimp. Having everything prepped and ready before you start cooking is key to a successful stir-fry. This method ensures a quick and easy meal for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's create our amazing soy-free sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. These 2 ingredients provide a fantastic umami base. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a small pinch of white pepper to enhance the flavor. If you want a darker color, a tiny dash of a soy-free dark sauce alternative works wonders. This blend truly replaces traditional soy sauce beautifully. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large wok or skillet over high heat until shimmering. Add your minced garlic and ginger, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, toss in your vegetables and protein, cooking them until they are tender crisp. Finally, add your cold, day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. This high heat is crucial for that perfect fried rice texture. Almost done. Pour your delicious soy-free sauce evenly over the rice and other ingredients in the wok. Stir-fry vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring everything is well combined and heated through. The goal is to coat every grain of rice with that incredible flavor. Garnish your freshly made fried rice with chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for extra crunch and aroma. Serve it immediately and enjoy your fantastic soy-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.